Scene script, ever pondered on the possibility of growing an abundance of plants in a confined space? Well, today we unravel the mystery behind vertical gardening, an innovative way to enhance your green thumb within the constraints of limited space. Picture a wall lush with greenery, cascading with a variety of plants, each flourishing in its unique way. This is not a scene from a luxury greenhouse, but potentially your very own backyard, balcony, or even indoor space. This is the magic of vertical gardening. So, how does one set up a vertical garden? Fear not, for we shall break down this seemingly complex process into easy bite-sized steps. Step 1. Selecting the right location. The location should offer ample sunlight, a necessity for the majority of plants. However, if your chosen space doesn't receive enough sunlight, fret not, you can always opt for shade-loving plants. Step 2. Choosing the vertical structure. A variety of structures can be used, from a simple trellis or ladder to more elaborate structures like green walls or pallets. Your choice of structure should be based on the available space, the type of plants you wish to grow, and your personal aesthetic preference. Step 3. Selecting the right plants. It's essential to choose plants that are suitable for vertical growth. Vines, trailing plants, and climbers are natural choices, but don't limit yourself. Experiment with herbs, flowers, and even some types of vegetables. Step 4. Arranging the plants. This is where the fun begins. Create a vibrant mix of colors, textures, and plant varieties. Remember, taller plants should be placed at the top and smaller ones at the bottom, to ensure they all receive enough sunlight. Step 5. Maintaining your vertical garden. Regular watering, pruning, and feeding are integral to keep your vertical garden thriving. A balance between care and neglect is key. Too much attention might cause overwatering, while too little might lead to a lack of nutrients. There you have it, the process of setting up a vertical garden simplified. But why go vertical, you ask? Well, the benefits are multifold. Firstly, it's a great space saver. No matter how limited your area is, vertical gardening allows you to grow an array of plants in a compact space. Secondly, it adds an aesthetic charm to any space. A lush green wall can transform a dull area into a vibrant, living piece of art. Thirdly, it's a practical solution for those with physical constraints. Vertical gardens require less bending and kneeling, making it easier for individuals with mobility issues. Lastly, it's a fun and therapeutic activity. The process of planning, planting, and nurturing a vertical garden can be incredibly calming and rewarding. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice, vertical gardening offers a unique and creative way to explore your love for plants. It's about time we stop letting space dictate our gardening dreams. With vertical gardening, the sky is literally the limit. Remember, every big garden starts with a single plant. So why not start your vertical garden journey today? Happy gardening!